Interesting day at the range today. We're going to be testing 3 different plates, the model 0425. Couple notes, model 0425 is our multi-curve RF3 plate. It's available on the website, and it is about 7.8 pounds. It does not have the foam on the back that we normally would put there to reduce back face deformation. So you're going to see a little bit more back face on this test, just because we're testing a batch of materials that just came in. We do this periodically every few months. We go out and field test our models. So that's what this is. Let's first start with model 0425. Shots 1 and 2, but no pass-throughs, and we would have normally included about 3 to 5 millimeters of foam back here, but that would help with the back face deformation. But we didn't get any penetrations on 2 shots, and so we're real happy with the performance on this plate. There's your multi-curve shape. I'm going to just peel this off the front. You saw my video last night where you have this edge on the, call it a little rash guard. Okay. But still a very good adhesion. And hopefully you can see that on video. Very good adhesion. The plate is still in good shape. Man, that's really good adhesion. Let me see if I can get this apart. Happy with that adhesive. This is not a laminate as some people suggest. This is the actual top of the backer that's coming off there. Here you can see the 2 shots. Let me see if I can just get rid of this backer altogether. Now we're looking at the ceramic strike face, the reverse side of the ceramic strike face. And what you're looking at here is the spall. Spall comes off the reverse side of the strike face. What you see coming out the front of the plate here is ceramic fragmentation. This back here is the spall. And you had a pretty good result. You can see that the spall circle is larger on a monolithic than it is on a ceramic tile array. And you can see the cracking that occurs along the perimeter here of the projectile entry point. This usually doesn't happen in a tile array plate. However, this ended up working out reasonably well. Had another shot here with less cracking around it. We did have some cracking down toward the bottom of the plate, and then for some reason over here on this corner. So still though, quite a lot of ceramic in between, and the seams remain tight because of the good adhesive that was used. So here we see that quality ceramic ballistic tile. And there you have it. There's shot number 1, M2AP. Shot number 2, 30 caliber M2AP. And the plate remains intact after 2 of those shots. Looks pretty good, and really not a lot of pulverization and still quite a lot of remaining ceramic, but everything that is inside of this circle is sort of thinned ceramic because of the spall coming off. You get these pieces that come off with the ballistic energy, and normally in a ceramic tile array you get a smaller ball circle. This is about 3.5 inches, and you normally get about 2 inches out of the ceramic tile array. That's 4 inches there. It's a little smaller here, I think. And there it is. My low 425. We have some compressed fractured ceramic right there. I talk about this a lot on the blog and in my videos. This actually has some ballistic resistance capability for follow-on rounds, especially for lower caliber rounds. And we didn't get anywhere near penetration on that. Here we did get some penetration of the backing material. The core didn't even stay together. It came in, it busted up into a dozen pieces or more, which says a lot for that ceramic, the quality of that ceramic. And so here you can see that the penetration stopped right along in there.